A very big warm welcome to you budding designers out there, and welcome to our Planner 5D design platform. My name is Robyn Santini, and I'm here to give you all of your tips and tricks, as well as a vast variety of information that you can use to create and design your very own spaces using Planner 5D. Why me? Well, I have over 10 years of international interior design experience across the globe, as well as first-hand experience in running a business called 𝐏𝐥𝐚𝐧𝐶𝐞𝐫 that you're welcome to go and check out. First things first, do you enjoy designing spaces or working with a layout until it has that perfect traffic flow? Or even just adding texture and color to a space until it's got that perfect feel to it? Well, guess what? I have partnered with Planner 5D to take your designs up a notch with some brilliant educational content for your designs. And let me tell you, this is going to change your outlook on design. Right, so what is this channel all about? Well, it's about helping you with the design tips and tricks that you need to know, as well as some very vital design principles that are going to help you create a space of your dreams. To be able to stay up to date with the latest content and the latest design videos that we're producing, please click like and subscribe so that you're getting everything firsthand. In addition to that, I love hearing from our viewers, so please don't be shy, don't forget, leave your comments in the comment section below of anything that you'd like to see or anything that you're really enjoying on our content. In the meantime, good luck with your designs using your Planner 5D app. I so look forward to hearing from you, and happy designing. See you soon.